Pro tip regarding PlayStation 5 controller input delay and interference. If you want to fix this, these are the settings you want to go to. Go ahead and go to the settings icon from the main menu. You're going to want to click on that, and then you're going to want to go down to your accessories. Click on that, and then you want to go down to your controller. From there, you want to go over to your communication method. Now, by default, this is going to be set to Bluetooth, but you want to switch it over to USB. You should be running a USB connection anyway, but if you don't have this turned on, even with a wired connection, you're still going to be running Bluetooth. So most people overlook this. This is a big one. Get rid of that input delay and knock out them miss button presses.